So in the last part of the guide we completed the basic setup, and in this guide we will look into the customization part of KDE. We'll look into the terminal customization and the theming, the icons, and the desktop layout, etc. So let's get into it. First we'll change the global theme. You can get new themes from this icon here, get new. If you click this, you can get new themes. So I'll go with Nordic. So it took some time to install the theme. Let's apply. You may need to log out or restart your system for everything to get applied. I'll change the color to darker tone. So we'll change the SDDM, the login manager theme, to the custom theme, and enter your password. It will get applied. And now for the terminal customization, I go with ZSH. I don't use bash shell, I use Z shell. And customizing the console is pretty easy and compared to Kitty. I use console, I don't use Kitty terminal. So right click and create a new profile and set it as default, and over appearance you can change whatever you want. So let's install ZSH. So the main thing when using OS Linux or any Linux distribution, any Linux desktop, is troubleshooting. So the best troubleshooting tools for you will be the Reddit forums, ChatGPT, and the distro forum. For example, the Arch user forum, Ubuntu forum, etc. So with the help of ChatGPT, we'll install ZSH and the customization of ZSH, which is Oh My ZSH. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll install ZSH and Oh My ZSH. Oh My ZSH is customization for the ZSH, the customization for the Z shell. So we'll go with sudo pacman-s. I think we have ZSH because we installed the Garuda package. So we'll go to assistant, we'll go to settings, and here you can see default shell. We can change it to ZSH. Click apply, enter a password. So it's not there, we're installing it right now. Exit, enter a password, and edit your profile and set this one to ZSH and apply. Close this and open it again. As you can see, it is here. So Right now I'll be using OMI ZSH customization. So right now we are using the ZSH, the Z shell. As you can see, we are using ZSH, and also here you can see the shell ZSH 5.9. So let's customize this. So what you need to do is Control H to show the hidden files. So any file name which comes after a dot will become hidden. So as you can see, ZSHRC is the file we are going to edit, and if you want fast fetch to appear every time you open your terminal, you can just type fast fetch here. So save, and if you open now, as you can see, it's appearing. And now using Robbie Russell theme. So there is no syntax highlighting and stuff. Garuda has a config for ZSH which is very useful. It has auto completion, syntax highlighting, and etc. It's very useful. So if you go to Garuda Assistant and reset config, you select ZSH and reset selected config. So you need to relog in for it to show up. So to install Grub themes and a splash screen, I use CTT's Grub theme. So it's an automated install. I'm using the Fallout theme. Remove this. Now CD and now install. Since I'm using Fallout, I'm using the fourth option. So as you can see, I have the Fallout theme, and also I have the snapshots, and it's using the CachyOS kernel. Let's see if the SGDM theme works. Okay, you can see the splash screen, the Ars Linux logo, and the SGDM theme is also working. Let's see the splash screen, normal splash screen. As you saw, it is also working. So as you saw, the Grub theme and the splash screen and all the themes are working. We'll customize the terminal now. So now the ZSH is running the Garuda ZSH config. So we'll make some changes. As you can see, it is asking NeoFetch. We are not using NeoFetch, we are using fastfetch. So we'll Control C here to exit, and we'll edit it through here, nano.zshrc, and at the bottom I think it says NeoFetch, so we'll just take it out, and instead of that we'll type fastfetch. Okay, now if you close and open, it's running fastfetch. I will customize the console too. So go to configure console, profile, edit, appearance. We'll get a new theme, or we'll just blur the background to 50%. So the colors are not what I want, so I'll get a new color scheme. I'll use Nordic, so I'm already using Nordic theme, so I'll also use the Nordic color scheme. We have Nordic here, click apply, okay. And to remove this, just need to go to settings and toolbars and remove these toolbars. So it's gone now. So to configure fast fetch, so this fetch, if you want to customize it, you first need a fonts. So let's install Node fonts. In Node fonts we need I think it's hack something, yeah, hack Node font. Here it is, hack Node font. So after installing the fonts, you need to paste it in the local share folders. So Control H to show the hidden files, and go to local share, and you should have fonts directory. So default we don't have a fonts directory, so we'll create a new one and name it fonts. And in this fonts directory, we'll just move these. Okay, and now to customize the fast fetch config, go to root partition, user share fast fetch presets examples. I think it's 13, yeah, I'll be using 13 JSON-C, and save it, and it's open. As you can see, it's working. Okay, and but if you want to have a logo in your fast fetch terminal, so if you want to add logos in your terminal, I have created a video on that already. You can watch it. So this is the video, and I used Kitty terminal, but now I use since I'm in KDE, I'm using the default the console from KDE. This will help you on adding a logo in your fast fetch. I don't customize or theme my desktop environment much. There are videos on that which go into detail. I suggest you watch those videos, and on the next part we'll go with the gaming side of Arch Linux, the running Steam and the Heroic Launcher and Proton and the Mango HUD overlay, etc., and emulators, Shared PS4 and running Bloodborne, etc.